大家好，我是麦克老师。今天我要教大家我最常见10大发错音英语单词。Alright, welcome to another pronunciation course. Today, I'm going to tell you the 10 words that I most frequently hear my Chinese friends and students mispronouncing. But before we begin today's lesson, I want to tell you some amazing news. You asked for it, and now I'm going to give it to you. 我全新美式英语发音课程终于准备好了。那内容是什么呢？ We're going to be talking about all of the American English phonetics, how to link all the different phonetic sounds. We're going to talk about stress tones and so many more things. 这个发音课程是比较全面的，所以不用担心学完后你就可以掌握美式发音。麦克老师，这个课程是怎么上呢？我准备的是2个直播课，还有10个录播课，是日更的形式，可以随时回放。报名后有学习成功，大家讨论交流，我也会定期回答大家的问题。那麦克老师，你的课程是什么时候开始？我们课程是1月5号开始。那如果你圣诞节之前报名，我会给你优惠价格99块人民币，但是圣诞节后课程是原价199人民币，所以千万不要错过这个机会。麦克老师，我们太激动了，怎么报名？很简单，你只需要加我的课程助理的微信 Real麦克 US 就可以了，他就会发给你所有报名的消息。希望这个课程会大家有很大的帮助。So let's talk about mispronouncing words.How many common words have you been mispronouncing? I hope not too many, but let's find out together. Now, this list of words I hear mispronounced every single day. Alright, number 10. Usually. Usually. 不是 usually. Usually. Now, the mistake I often hear is from the S. Many students often say an R sound or a sh sound like fish.Usually or usually, 但是这2个发音方法是错的。We want to use a voiced sound, not an unvoiced sound. So if you can say the Chinese sh, but instead make it voiced, like zh. I usually eat eggs for breakfast. I usually eat eggs for breakfast. Number 9, smile. Smile.是不是 smile 或者 smell 有发音区别吗？当然是有的。smile 的 I 是长 I smile I smile， 但是 smell 的 E 是短的 E 声音smell smell 不是 smell。 I smile when I smell the roses.I smile when I smell the roses. Number 8, very. Very. 不是 very. Now, because the V sound is not in Chinese, you might need to spend a little more time practicing this one. Put your top teeth on your bottom lip and make a voiced sound. V. V. Very. Very. The mouth shape is pretty similar to F, and if you say it unvoiced, you might hear the F sound. V. Just remember, it is not a W sound or wa, wei, wa. I'm very wary of realtors.I'm very wary of realtors. 喂？哦，买房子是吧？多少钱？ Number 7. Fall versus far. In American English, we must emphasize the R. Far. Fall is a bit more difficult because it has a dark L at the end. You will need to put your tongue between your teeth.Like this. L. L. Fall. Fall. Luckily, he didn't fall very far. Luckily, he didn't fall very far. Number 6, close. Close. 不是 closes, 是 close. Now the pronunciation for this word in American English is the same as the word close, C-L-O-S-E, like close the door. But I often hear people say this word as closes. She often closes the clothes store at 9 p.m. She often closes the clothes store at 9 p.m. Number 5, world. World. 不是 word, 是 world. Hey, Dark L 又来了，好麻烦. But what really makes this word difficult is the R before the L and the D after the L. 麦克老师怎么办? Just start with the R, like in the word were. Were. Then add the dark L. Whirl. Whirl. Then we just need to add the D. World. World. This is a great word to practice these 3 different sounds. There are many bad words in this world. There are many bad words in this world. Number 4, will. 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 不是 wheel. Even though this word has a dark L sound, I want to focus on the short I sound. So if you are saying a long E sound, such as wheel, wheel, you are saying it wrong. This is a short I sound. Will, will. It is not it's will. I will fix the wheel. I will fix the wheel. Number 3, sun versus song. Sun, song. Now basically the Chinese N and the American N are the exact same thing. So for many of you, this won't be difficult to fix. Make the N sound. Watch the tip of my tongue come up behind my teeth. N. N. But for the NG sound, like in song, my tongue is touching the back of my mouth. And that is why we hear this sound come from deep within my throat. Song. Other words that confuse these 2 sounds are sin and sing. Thin. Thing. It's not a sin to sing loudly. It's not a sin to sing loudly. Alright, number 2. This and that. The TH sounds are always difficult for English learners. I often hear the TH sound replaced with either Z or D. This, dis, that, dat. This TH sound is voiced and can be made by sticking your tongue between your teeth. This, that. You need to allow a little air through. This, that. This song is the best one that I can sing. This song is the best one that I can sing. And number 1, the most common word I hear mispronounced.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
不是 thanks. 完全没有 s 的声音. This sound can be made the same way we made the previous th sound, except for this time we used an unvoiced sound. Let's put a few sounds together. I think the boat will sink. I think the boat will sink. Okay, let's take a bunch of these words and put them in a sentence so that you can practice these common pronunciation mistakes. The world will usually smile and say thanks when I sing this very nice song. The world will usually smile and say thanks when I sing this very nice song. So how many of these words have you been mispronouncing? If it is too many, please don't forget to sign up for my English course and study with me so you can finally master your American English pronunciation. 不要忘记加我的课程助理的微信 Real Mike US. And I hope to see all of you on January 5th for the first live stream course. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。